Hey guys, it's Giri there for G-Phone Tech, and Realme has just dropped in their new truly wireless earphones, the Buds Air Neo. Let's talk about the Buds Air Neo and find out if this is a good earphone for you. Let's start with the unboxing. Just like any Realme product, the branding is simple and quite attractive. Behind the box, it is mentioned that it has super low latency for gaming and a dynamic bass boosted 13mm large driver, Bluetooth 5.0 touch controls, and 17 hours of playback. Alright, this sounds unbelievable for a price of Rs 2,999. Let's check inside. Opening up the box, you would find a small charging case. This charging case has the Buds Air Neo inside it. You would find a quick start guide, a micro USB charging cable, and a user manual. The case looks identical to Apple AirPods first generation. At the bottom, you have a micro USB charging port. This Buds Air Neo does not support wireless charging. On the front, there is a button to help you pair up with a new device, and there is a LED light indicator to show you the pairing status and the battery status. We know the case is made of plastic, but this one is really glossy, so it does not give you a rugged feeling. The lid closes with a magnetic attachment, and opening up the lid, you would find a pair of Buds Air Neo snugly fit inside. After pairing it for the first time, if you open the lid, this Buds Air Neo automatically pairs with your device. The earbuds look very similar to, again, Apple AirPods, which was again the design inspiration for the first generation Realme Buds Air. But this one has no in-ear detection sensor or even the dual mic for calls. This being a STEM design on-ear TWS earphone, you don't get any silicone tips to fit different ear sizes. It's a one size fits all, and if this one fits your ear, you're lucky. Unfortunately, I didn't find it to be fitting my ear perfectly. These earbuds are also IPX4 water resistant certified. Sweat or a slight splash of water would not affect it. There is an optional companion application which you can download from the Play Store or the App Store to connect and configure the Buds Air Neo. All the controls on the Buds Air Neo are based on touch gestures, and be it the double tap, triple tap, or long tap, you can configure it to your convenience using the Realme Link app. I found this really useful. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality on the Buds Air Neo is bass boosted. The bass is so artificially boosted that even the other frequencies sounds like bass to me. The mids and the highs lack finesse and separation. If you are an audiophile, you would not enjoy the sound quality coming out of the Buds Air Neo. But if you are a metalhead or listen to genre which has like heavy bass, probably you would like the sound quality on the Buds Air Neo. But to me, the mids, highs, and lows, and also the frequency separation between these three frequency bands was very poor. Another thing which I really didn't like about the Realme Buds Air Neo is its sound quality during calls. The person on the other side could barely hear me, and I'll have to shout at the top of my voice to get even a sentence across to them, but I could hear them without any problem. That being said, if I liked anything about the sound quality, that would be the low latency mode. If you're a gamer, and especially if you love playing first player shooter games like PUBG or COD, you'd really enjoy playing games on this Buds Air Neo. The latency is really low with no lag between the audio and the video. I get a battery life of about 2.5 hours while listening to music at 80% volume and also attending a few calls now and then. Realme promises that the case can charge these pair of earbuds up to 4 times. So I got about 16 hours of battery life with a combined battery of the case and the earbuds. Would I recommend this Realme Buds Air Neo? Well, as I said earlier, if you love bass and nothing else matters, probably you would enjoy the Realme Buds Air Neo. But if you're a person who enjoys music and gives a lot of importance to the audio quality, I would recommend the Blaupunkt BTW Lite. Redmi also recently launched the Earbuds S, which is priced 1000 rupees less than this, but has a similar sound quality and a better call quality than the Realme Buds Air Neo. That's my thought, but it's your decision finally. I hope this video was useful. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G-Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.